But then I'll not accept mentioning prior to the New Year.
So this has become more urgent than motion. You also kind of remember the also matter trade license.
Yes.
Ask me 29 lakhs. Produce the guideline. Well, that's a questionable. Law permits only 1,500.
No, but then you are directed to pay for only 1 year.
If that according, they have to take approval from the urban department. Then I will not getting my factory license as I told you last year. And this
Very well.
I'm just filing it with it to lawsuit. Now I'll kindly let it appear to be mentioned tomorrow.
Lord,
But kindly, otherwise, kindly see the situation.
Passing orders in to be mentioned stage. Is that possible? Now I have to start a new system.
Or any heading you
Application. It will appear as urgent application.
normally I do not pray for that. Kindly see the situation.
Very well. You saw Mr. Arun Banerjee. He was there. And it will appear tomorrow as urgent application.
Lord, may I have your lordship's Lord kind leave, Lord, to mention a very
That my technical bid was accepted private and immediately thereafter my technical bid was rejected. Immediately after thereafter rejected. So on the same day,
When is the date of opening the tender?
last Friday technical bid was opened and will either tomorrow or tomorrow will final.
No, what is the date mentioned in the tender document? Very well, you file it in the department, it will appear
Lord, may I have your lordship's Lord kind leave, Lord, to mention one matter.
Yes? No. Wednesday it will appear. Serve.
May I have a technique?
Wednesday it will appear as urgent motion.
Correct
What is the name that was to be incorporated? And when is it returnable?
It was given on.
Is it a contempt matter? Regular motion?
It was disposed of corrected by 11. 11 I came back after that.
Very well, to be mentioned.
May I have a leave, Lord, on urgent motion, Lord? Lord, on 15th of December, Lord, my client, Lord, received a notice from the Durgapur Municipal Corporation, Lord, depositing, Lord, 6,30,000, Lord. And, Lord, they asked me to ask my client to deposit immediately, otherwise they will not send my pension paper, Lord. Lord, a teacher, Lord, good teacher, Lord, after retirement, what shall she get, Lord? 6 lakh.
Why is this amount being directed to be paid? Has there overdrawal amount?
On the identical issue, Lord, my Lord has been pleased to pass an order, Lord. So, Lordship, finally, Lord, leave so that.
Thursday.
Lord, may I have your lordship's kind leave, Lord, to mention extremely urgent motion, Lord, to be moved unlisted. Lord, the issue is, Lord, your lordship directed the proceedings to be drawn up for demolition after holding a spot inspection and, Lord, giving a hearing to me with a reasoned order to be passed. 11th of December, your lordship passes an order. 14th of December, they give a 5-liner, Lord, demolition order. Nothing there. Not even a spot inspection held. 5-liner.
Which
No.
authority?
Lord, Howrah Municipal Corporation.
And is the date of demolition mentioned?
Yes. Lord, 15 days from the date of receipt. I have received on 15th. So, Lord, 30th is the date.
Thursday it will appear. Give notice.
I'm grateful.
To the corporation, additional copy to Mr. Banerjee.
Yes. I'm grateful.
No, sorry. I understand. Come on the first Monday of the month.
May I permit to mention for non-prosecution?
No institutions, non-prosecution give.
Permitted to mention urgent motion, my lord. Urgent motion, my lord. This is an election matter, my lord. They did not allow me to participate in the election process because I am the suspended employee. This is a cooperative, my lord, the Rabindra Bharati University Cooperative Credit Society. Though there is no bar, my lord, my name is appearing in the voter list. My lord did not allow me to participate in the election process. 19th is a hearing. 28th, my lord, the nomination paper for election will be held on 17th.
19th is the hearing for what?
19th, objection regarding, my lord, the draft voter list.
19th means tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
How will it
Matter
be
will
taken
appear tomorrow, my lord. I shall serve the notice.
No. It's impossible. Day after tomorrow.
Yes.
May I have my lord kind leave to mention one extension of interest?
When is it expiring?
26.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one matter, my lord?
Extension,
Analog.
give.
My lord,
My lord, praying your lordship.
1 minute.
my lord, in respect of same self-seat, two certificates were issued, and by dint of that certificate, board was formed. The matter was mentioned, the matter was moved, your lordship, on 7th August 2023. Your lordship was pleased to direct the authority to file affidavit. Till date, affidavit has not been filed and board has been formed. In spite of having majority, the group of the person whom the petition is representing, they were not given chance, and the person who has
What is to be done now?
let the matter be appear as urgent motion.
Sorry.
My lord, praying your lordship leave to, my lord, move the petition on urgent basis. Urgency is that, my lord, unauthorized construction raised by the private respondent. The nature is so grave, my lord. Earlier, my lord, demolition order was passed against the private respondent, my lord. They preferred an appeal. They did not get any order of stay. The next date is on 4th January 2024 of the hearing of the appeal. Now, again, my lord, construction has been started.
4th January, please go and
my lord, then
apply.
vacation, my lord, kindly-
Not possible. It's not
January
possible.
2024, my lord. Kindly, my lord, let the
Not
matter be.
possible, please. Yes.
If the construction is obliged.
Bank is relentlessly harassing the petitioner.
No, what is to be done now?
Yes, proceed. I will take only 1 minute or 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordship.
Where is the matter?
Lordship,
170, my lord.
No, why was it not mentioned at the time of mentioning?
Your
Sorry.
lordship, your lordship.
Lordship, under extreme compelling circumstances, your lordship, I am
Later,
mentioned.
Slowly. Yes. No. What?
To suicide, my lord. By your lordship.
No. Yes.
My lord, on 4th I mentioned item number 916.
Are you mentioning for upgradation?
On 4th I mentioned,
Lordship, I am mentioning for leave
If
to.
you have mentioned it once,
my lord.
it is not required to be mentioned on 4 occasions. If it has been marked as upgraded, it will appear as upgraded. Please wait.
Lordship, I am seeking your lordship's leave to transfer this
Please
matter
wait.
to vacation bench, your lordship, under
Please
extremely.
wait. Yes.
Permitted to mention, Lordship, I have mentioned this matter earlier in Monday of the month of first, Lordship, restoration of the water connection, Lordship. I'm spending my day without.
Where is the matter?
Lordship, for inclusion, Lordship.
Why did you not mention on
Yes,
that
yes,
day?
Lordship, I mentioned on that day, Lordship.
If
it has
you had
been
mentioned,
included.
then the file will come and it will appear.
Lordship, your Lordship, can it be heard before vacation, your Lordship?
If it appears in the list, it will be hard, but the position of the list is such that no new matters can be included.
Restoration.
I'm
water,
sorry,
your
I cannot help.
Lordship.
Please do not
Lordship,
mention.
lordship, a residential area has been illegally
I
converted
am
into.
not concerned with the merits of the matter. Tell me what you want.
Right to life is under violation, my lord. Due to continuous accumulation of
Very
grease,
well.
the entire
You
area
will
has
argue when
become
the matter is
inflammable.
taken up.
I'm seeking leave to transfer the matter to vacation bench, your lordship. That is my urgency.
Where is the matter?
Item number 1019 monthly list.
1019 in the monthly list will be transferred to a bench who will be taking up very urgent matters only during the vacation. This is your prayer.
Yes,
Sorry,
your
the
lordship.
prayer is rejected.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention, lordship, a contempt application, lordship?
Please do not mention for inclusions and upgradations.
Extension of
Yes, extension.
Lordship,
Please do not mention for inclusions and upgradations.
My lord, this is
Lordship,
a mention for upgradation. My lordship
Lordship-
directed us to come back later. We mentioned it on the first Monday. Lordship directed us to come back later with this.
What does this letter mean? Anytime you wish, you come.
Lordship,
Is it so? It is not so. Come on,
Lordship,
next Monday.
lordship,
grateful.
kindly permits me 30 seconds, my lord. The fact is very
Not
important.
even 3 seconds. Call the list, please.
Lordship, due to illegal conversion, my lord, the entire area has become inflammable.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one hearing matter, my lord? Original side hearing matter.
Praying for upgradation, my
Item 1 has been disposed of.
My lord, item
Why
1
is
was
it appearing?
was mentioned at my instance, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I had mentioned the matter, my lord, at the time of dictating the order, your lordship was pleased to grant an order over the executive engineer and the local police to restrain the private respondents from raising further construction. That has not come up in the
Great.
order, my lord. Restrain orderটা দেখেন রেকর্ড হয় পাস করেছিল রেকর্ড হয়
কি স্যার अरे की ऑर्डर क्या केस करे कब भूल गया
अरे वही बता जिसमें वो टिक मार्क नहीं करके दिया था
वो अच्छा अच्छा राइट
401 notice has been issued,
इश्यू पागल नहीं
right? Why will this order be passed?
जो रेस्टोरेंट किया था
Well, the notice was handed up by my learned senior friend, but
Yes.
there was some technical defect in the notice because your lordship kindly see there is no tick mark as against the which part is the unauthorized
That
construction.
is different.
Thereafter, your lordship passed the order.
That
and
is the
di-
reason this order has been passed. You
Yes,
have
and
ordered
thereafter
that
your
is being
lordship
passed.
directed the lordship's court officer to set out the usual order which your lordship usually does.
Yes, this
And
is the
thereafter, I
usual.
prayed for prayer E in terms of the writ petition.
No, nothing can be done now.
And then liberty may be given to take out an application, my lord, at least. My lord.
Disposed of matter, application for liberty given for application. Sorry, sir. Call the next matter.
Well, I am for the petition, Your Honor.
Yes.
First writ filed in the year 2010 for demolition of unauthorized construction. Matter remand back to the executive engineer.
Is it for the first day that it is appearing?
Second time, my lord.
Second time?
The last, kindly see the last order passed on 23rd November 2023.
Who is appearing?
my lord I beg to appear
Yes, please. What is
yeah
the
complied
complied?
My lord, no
Let me see.
communication, nothing, my lord.
Let me see.
you
Let me
why
see.
you
Let
are
me
so
see.
worried আর কপি নেই
He complied. Hearing. Did you approve?
কিসের দৃষ্টি
You remember, sir?
হ্যাঁ
হুম।
বিকার হয়ে মদনলাল নাহাতা
কি বলছো?
এলআইসি আছে কোথায়
কোনটা এটা? ওরা গিয়েছে দেখতে। কি নম্বর?
এটা তো এলআইসি
এই।
Eight Commissionerate Road. Is this the premises?
yes
Yes, my lord. But my lord, I am pressing only
You
two
are-
pages.
You are complaining of unauthorized construction.
Yes, my lord, kindly come to the page 19. Only I am pressing two pages. Kindly come to the page 19. The first order passed by that executive engineer, the order first line, it's directed to demolish the unauthorized fifth floor along with the lift installed from fourth floor to fifth floor as shown in the part.
Go through it. What is there? Please come.
Demolish. And my lord, next your lordship, kindly come to the page 29. Kindly come to the page 29. Lord, kindly see the page 29. However, as regard to the merit of this appeal, we find the scrutiny, the record and the this case plan, the BS plan and unauthorized construction is respect of
The
the fifth
matter
floor.
relates to
And my lord, kindly see the
unauthorized
report.
construction.
My lord, kindly see the report.
8 Commissionerate Road.
They are saying it's, so I have to take the exception to their report.
Kolkata 7000022. Stop. The court passed order on 22nd February 2023 directing the executive engineer to dispose of the objection as filed. Stop. Next. After filing of the after service of the contempt application upon the alleged contemner, comma, the copy of the order dated 15th December 2023 passed by the special officer within bracket building has been produced in court. Stop. It appears therefrom that unauthorized construction has been directed to be demolished. No. Has been permitted. The unauthorized construction has been permitted to be retained.
That is my objection, my lord.
Deviation from the sanction plan.
Yes.
Subject to payment of fees under section 4.
No, my lord, that cannot be done. Illegal is always illegal. That cannot be regularized by paying the for money, my lord.
Paragraph.
Nothing can be illegal work cannot be the legal in
The,
consideration of money.
the order mentions that any person aggrieved by the order may prefer an appeal against the order before the municipal building tribunal. Stop. Next. Copy of the order was not served upon the petitioner. Stop. Next. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the petitioner is aggrieved by the order passed by the special officer building. Stop. Next. I am afraid that the court sitting in contempt jurisdiction is not the appropriate forum to decide the legality of the said order. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the contempt application stands disposed of. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to challenge the said order before the appropriate forum in accordance with law, if so advised.
Well, it just records that I have.
Kindly record my submission, my lord. They have taken the different stand, my lord. Their order is there for demolition. Now they are saying that that can be regularized after making payment. Well, that cannot be done, my lord. Every illegal thing cannot be legal by making payment. That's my only contention, my lord. Kindly record that contention, my lord.
So I'm for the private respondent.
Who is for the petitioner?
Lots of last occasion,
The reconstruction,
corporation to inspect the reconstruction
Was it
space.
inspected?
yes, it was inspected, my lord.
It's completed.
My lord, only one difficulty I am facing, my lord. By your lordship's order dated 21st September, your lordship was pleased to direct the respondent number 5 to pay me the cost for reconstruction. That has not been complied with. I have written them a letter, my lord. They have refused to accept that letter.
Do you have a copy of the letter?
Yes.
Hand it over to your learned friend. Please come. How much is the bill raised?
43,300. Just sort at the whole.
You could have done it within
reconstruction charge of
20,000.
40.
You could have done it within 4,000 also, but then you chose not to do it.
No, Lordship, I
You chose not
submitted
to do
that,
it.
Lordship, this is not feasible for the any
But
masham.
somebody has done it.
43,000 is excessive. I take instruction.
Take instruction.
My
No
lord, then-
instruction.
My lord, then kindly don't dispose of the matter, my lord. They will not pay. I have to again file an application.
A report has been filed by 3
Yeah,
engineers
so
of
the
the
43,000
Kolkata Municipal
excessive.
Corporation. Signed on 16th of December 2023, mentioning that the repairing work is complete and the portion of the building is in stable condition. Stop. Next. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that the charges for construction was to be paid by the
Also, kindly record, I'm disputing such huge charges. Because this amount is.
My lord,
very
they
huge, so for
undertook.
my instruction.
you undertook
So I
pay
undertook.
the charges.
So I undertook, but this amount is absolutely.
Thing is, you should have done it on your own. You did not. Why did you permit him to do it?
Also,
You have fallen in the wrong trap.
as per the court's order, also I have permitted, but lots
No,
of charges. are the-
no. The court did not order you. You voluntarily accepted it. The court never permitted you to do this. It was absolutely voluntary. What is the date of the order?
My lord, 21st September 2023.
21st September 2023.
It has been recorded in the order dated 21st September 2023 that the private respondent expressed his willingness to bear the cost of repairs if the petitioner performs the repairing work. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has performed the repairing work and has sought to hand over the bill to the private respondent who refused to accept the same. Stop. The copy of the bill has been handed over to the learned advocate representing the private respondent in court today. Stop. Next. Let payment be made accordingly. Stop. List the matter on 3rd January 2023 for recording compliance of payment.
I'm great. With your lordship's help.
I am
4, 5, 6, 7 are.
Yes,
similar
Lord.
to 5.
I am appearing for the petitioner.
This is the matter
Four
where the
million.
LIC has supposed to file a plan with the corporation for bringing up a new construction.
My lord, on
Your lordship kindly sees the last order on 20th September. Direction upon the LIC to submit the plan and subsequent steps were to be taken.
Is it ready?
Lordship, Lordship, I appear for the life insurance.
Yes.
Lordship, as far as the proportion of the occupation of the occupiers over there, that has been ascertained. Now, some more time is required for the plan to be finalized. It is almost ready, but it has to be finalized.
And
So much urgency in the bill.
are you yourself assured that nothing will happen to the building in the meantime? Because the corporation says it's in a dilapidated condition and it's required to be demolished.
Lordship,
You are the owner of the premises.
Lordship.
I do not know what is the condition is, but then if something untoward,
Very good. Very good.
if something untoward happens, then you may be held responsible for this.
But at this juncture, we have challenged 411 notice. Initially, they filed 412.
Please wait.
12 Now they,
Try to save your head first.
yes. But
What
we-
do you say?
What it is
Lordship,
inspected through engineers, it is repairable, my lord.
Please wait.
Lordship, as far as the occupancy of the respective occupants, that has been ascertained. Now, the
You've submitted that. I have
Lord-
followed it.
Lordship,
But then keep this in mind that if it collapses in the meantime, may not be the whole thing collapses, but portions may. Because you yourself say it's not in good condition.
Lordship,
Corporation says the same thing.
It is not collapsible, my lord. And however, I am for the 7, my lord. I am occupying. a
Learned
single-story
advocate.
building, my lord.
Representing the Life Insurance Corporation submits that the area of occupancy of individual tenants have been identified, and it will take some more time for preparation of the plan proposal. Corporation,
My lord, this is the thing, my lord, what can be done, my lord, unless they are not actually submitting the plan, we have nothing to do right now. They actually stay our hand.
in view of the above, the writ petition stands adjourned till 14th of February 2024. Stop.
My lord, that is Saraswati Puja for
14th. It says 14th. 19th of February. There is nothing. 19th, there is no difficulty.
19.
19th of February 2024. The Life Insurance Corporation shall take steps for preparing the plan proposal and submitting the same before the corporation for approval. Anything more?
But the
At
interim order is
interim
got
order
to
shall
be,
continue, my lord,
that is 25th.
because that will expire on 25th January.
The interim order that is subsisting in the matter is extended till 29th of February 2024 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Stop liberty to mention. In case there is any difficulty, please mention.
And if the, my lord, if the plan is submitted, my lords, then a copy may be served, my lords, upon payment of cost.
Let us see. We can pass this order on the
Yes.
next occasion also. No difficulty.
I am the petitioner. On 226, title 226, that a case হয়েছিল, সেই কেসে
Which item?
Huh?
Which item?
serial number 4, Shishir Kumar Saha.
This is up to 7. This
Up
order up to 7.
Up to 7.
Oh, sorry. I'm
This order
sorry,
will
my
up to
lord.
item number 7.
Same order will be there till item
Yes.
number 7.
7.
Please, your appearances.
Item number 7, I'm for LIC.
Put it down in a piece of paper. They will not. Please put it down.
Ready?
My lord, in this matter, I am for the petition, and my lord, last occasion, state was directed to submit a report, my lord. And I do not know whether any report has.
Kindly recall, I beg to appear on behalf of the private respondent. It's a Thika property. I have made constructions. Infraction of building rules are there. Subsequently, my lord, by filing writ application and division bench order, my lord, the Thika controller considered the whole issue and post facto sanction has been granted. That being the situation, my lord, now, my lord, the petitioner filed this application. They are the private respondent in my writ application. They are claiming, my lord, by filing one contempt application before the Honorable Division Bench for implementation of the order of the Honorable Division Bench. And on the other hand, my lord, directed direction is required to be issued to the Kolkata Municipal Corporation for demolition.
The controller.
My lord, there are two plots, my lord.
1 minute.
I'm appearing for the state respondent, your
State.
lordship. There are two respondents, your lordship, for the state. It's respondent number 7 and 8, your lordship. 8 is the Beliagata police station, your lordship. The report has already been filed, your lordship.
The lordship directed specifically the Thika controller to come back with the report because the property belongs to the Thika controller.
Where is the Thika controllers and the first land acquisition collector's report?
My lord, I have already informed he's saying by today he will tell me the report, my lord. And he is not a party to the.
No, he's added the part.
লোক রয়েছে কিছু নেই না লোক রয়েছে
বলবো না
By today evening, I
My lord,
the
let-
first land acquisition.
My lord,
The
land
matter will be
acquisition
taken
is
up
a
during
party.
court hours and you will receive the instruction in the evening. Does it make sense?
Passover may be granted, my lord.
Why will Passover be granted? You know the matter is there in the list at the top. Then
My lord,
for the same reason, my lord, the matter is
My lord,
pending before
there
the
is no reason to show any leniency.
The order of
When the court's
demolition
order
was
is
passed.
there, it is required to be followed within the time as specified. It is not that you come up to court and ask for an order of injunction, adjournment.
What Passover may.
No Passover in the original side matter. Simply no.
My lord, originally order of demolition was passed on two plots. And one of the plots is the private respondent. That
My lord-
order was challenged before the honorable court and honorable court dismissed that petition. Against that appeal was preferred before the division bench.
Did you check up the orders that have been passed in this matter?
Lordship, your lordship might kindly direct lordship's kind attention, my lord, to page number 52, my lord. My lord, point number 5, the last paragraph, my lord. In this verification, it has also been observed that devices number 76, X21, your lordship, X22 and 23, my lord, they are non-existent premises. And then,
Where is that report? This is what I want from you.
my lord,
That these premises do not exist. Give me something so that I can keep it on record and take into consideration your submission. Otherwise, how will the court pass orders?
my lord, I shall issue, my lord, I shall.
But a number of
Why do
occasion,
not you insist on the written instructions?
The fourth time.
Why will you keep it on your shoulder?
দেবে না
a number of occasion when Thika controller remain absent, lordship was kind enough to
Yes.
direct us to effect service upon the advocate on record
Right.
of the state authority. My lord, let that direction be issued, my lord.
same is for land acquisition collector.
Same is for land acquisition collector, the state respondents not responding, coming here and praying for time. Now I'm going to impose court.
Police has nothing to do, my lord. On sometime they are playing in the hands of my lord the writ petitioner. Sometime they are.
I only pray one day, my lord, kindly allows me.
There is an advocate on record for the state of West Bengal. You say you are not available. Why will your personal difficulties be brought to the court when there is a specific order of the court within which an order has to be complied with? I'm just making it not today. Please produce both the reports tomorrow. Otherwise, costs as well as personal appearance.
Maybe day after tomorrow, my lord. Maybe on day after tomorrow, my lord.
Why day after tomorrow? We are approaching the vacations. Day after tomorrow will be difficult. Call item 9.
My lord, let us communicate your lordship's order, my lord. Your lordship will give us that liberty, my lord. Otherwise,
What thing?
That otherwise, my lord, again, my lord, there will be an uncertainty. Kindly provide one line, my lord.
Tomorrow the matter will be taken up and you want an order for communication.
Immediately today, my lord, will inform. Otherwise, my lord.
I have the learned counsel here.
Very well, my lord.
Yes. Who are the original and who are the duplicate ones? I do not know.
My lord, we have filed application on behalf of 56 hawkers, my lord. My lord, the town vending committee, my lord, has removed. Your lordship directed for, my lord, removal of 2/3 of space. My lord, they have been removed. I have the photographs, my lord. Some hawkers were there in the wall of the Grand Hotel, my lord. We have removed them to the other side of the, my lord, pavement.
Which side are they holding the
on the side of the road. On the
Road
side
side?
of the road. If your lordship may kindly consider this photograph, my
Yes,
lord.
please see. Mr. Ghosh also has a report, I see. Serve copies. Let me see, Mr. Ghosh, your report. Your report, please. Has been kept vacant.
Intervention petition
Area for the hawkers and for the movement of the that has been done. It's police
না এটা আমাদের পিটিশনটা নেই আমার
Hawkers are not moved. Hawkers are so that the street hawkers are restrained from displaying their articles within the pavement marked for pedestrians are restricted to 1/3. 14.
Well, there was also a direction upon the CAC.
And everyone will have trade license, everything is there.
This is the photograph that you are relying upon. But this must be a midnight photograph or an early morning photograph when the purchasers and the everybody is not there.
Well, we were also directed to file a report, my lord.
Who are you?
The CAC, my lord. We have also given certain photographs, my lord.
Who are you?
I'm for the CAC, my lord.
All right, please give. Let me see.
Pursuant to your lordship's order
But
dated
then the
20th
court
of
wants to see
November,
exactly how the position is.
Appoints a commissioner, my lord, who will visit the place, my lord, and submit a report.
My lord, 28th of November, my lord directed us to file a report and for an inspection to ascertain as to whether or not electricity is consumed by the street workers, vendors in accordance to law or not. Earlier, we have filed a report, sir, and on 20th November, my lord directed us to file this report, my lord.
Where is your application?
Without making
The law says that 1/3 is for the hawkers and 2/3 for the pedestrians. Now, within this 1/3, who will remain and who will go? This the town vending committee is there, will take a decision. This court does not have anything. There is no 1/3. That is more than that. There you stand in the same footing. File application, who is stopping you? File applications, it will be seen. File.
16 hawkers, my lord, have been named in the list of the, my lord, the report submitted by the KMC. My lord, we are 56.
Near AC bus stand near Shohid Minar. AC bus stand near Shohid Minar. Possibly will not fall. Second page, first entry. Will not fall in this Grand Hotel Arcade. Humayun Place opposite to DRT. Does it fall in the Grand Hotel Arcade?
Just take inside, my lord, give me a second.
Bus stand in Shohid Minar. Take instructions. On Jawaharlal Nehru towards the metro.
They have encouraged footpath, my lord. They have they have contacted their PM.
No pilferage was found from the service apparatus here and photographs.
These two are the adjacent area. We have also taken the done the inspection to the adjacent.
Shohid Minar is the opposite side of Grand Hotel Arcade. The hawkers near the AC bus stand is the opposite side.
Yeah.
Right. Supply to hawkers at Humayun Place, backside will be. And Jawaharlal Nehru Road towards Metro will be the right hand side.
Yeah.
So the first two are irrelevant. The left hand side entrance and the right hand side entrance.
We have taken the inspection of the whole area, man. And my lord, director to
Commissioner, what is your submission?
My lord, your lordship would just kindly consider one photograph.
Yes, let me see.
Eight. Yes, my lord, your lordship would kindly see.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship will see there's a yellow line running across the pavement.
Yes.
So that's, my lord, supposed to be the line within which the hawkers will remain. Now, my lord, my concern is
Who has put up this line? The KMC Town Vending Committee?
Yes. Now, my lord, so the hawkers, my lord, are to be within that line. But, my lord, my concern is kindly see where the line starts.
Yes.
It starts, my lord, even before my gate ends. If, my lord, the last hawker who's hawking, my lord, is right there, he'll gather a crowd, my lord, of some people who will, my lord, naturally be blocking, my lord, the ingress and egress of cars, my lord, into and from the hotel, because that's the main entrance gate. My lord, in, my lord, 2008, my lord, when the terror attacks took place in Bombay, my lord, several hotels were attacked. At that point in time, my lord, steps were taken by the municipal corporation to shift, my lord, the hawkers at least 20 feet, my lord, away from the gate. So that the gate, my lord, is clear and that it's easy, my lord, for the guards, as many as they may be in number, my lord, to guard and ensure that safety, my lord, is maintained in the hotel. Now that line now, my lord, has come in 10 feet closer to the gate. So, my lord, I would, my lord, as an interim prayer, if your lordship may kindly consider, my lord, this line, yellow line that is there, my lord, not the line running, my lord, along the pavement.
I understand you want it to be, you want this line to be shifted leftwards?
Yes, my lord. At least, my lord, until the plants are there, because the hotel, my lord, also manages plants. If your lordship will see there, there are plants.
Yes.
My lord, at least, my lord, they could go beyond that. That would, my lord, help in safety.
Great Eastern has two separate hotels, one in the right and one in the left. Right?
Yes, my lord.
The picture that you are showing over here is the left-hand side entrance or the right-hand side entrance?
This is, my lord, the entrance. If your lordship may just take another photograph, my lord, for more clarity.
Let me see.
This is, my lord, the Oberoi Grand, not the Great Eastern, my lord.
The Grand, yes. Which side is this? No, this is also not clear.
So, my lord, the picture.
The gate over here.
Yes.
Is the left-hand side gate.
This is the left. This is the main entrance, my lord.
Main entrance.
This is the main entrance.
In the middle, there is a column where there are plants and there are two entrances.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So, my lord.
Now, if you enter, you have Grand in front of you.
Yes.
Is this the left-hand side one or the in?
This is my lord, the left entrance. When we are facing towards the hotel,
Yes.
this is
that
the
is left-hand side.
Yes.
So the line you said this portion you want the yellow line to be shifted back.
Yes, even, my lord, even the other side, both sides of the gate,
Both
my lord,
sides?
at least 10 feet. At least
at least 10 feet beyond where the line already is. Line is only 5 feet, my lord, from the.
So this was the decision of the town vending committee, madam. Well, previously, well, 20 feet, as my learned friend is saying, previously 20 feet were left after the bomb blast incident. But prior to that, my lord, it was a decision of the then Kolkata Municipal Corporation that they will leave the hawkers will be 5 feet from the entrance of major hospitals and hotels and wherever the hawkers are not sitting.
But I'm aggrieved by that, which is why I'm here.
But then he will have to challenge the decision of the town vending committee.
But he is agreed with the
My lord, I have.
But of the Grand Hotel. Now, if he has other grievances, because one model is contrary by the authority.
The list that you forwarded over here annexed. These are the
Given to the
do you have any other list, or this is the only list which has been provided?
we have no other list.
This is what you have found.
We have our green dwellers.
Yes. Now your client's name are over here.
We have been included.
What about the, how many you all are? 35 and 237. His names are also not there.
But there's no end to this. My lord,
New hawkers will enter, my lord. This will create another problem, my lord. If
nobody
they
has a license.
They can challenge the decision of the town vending committee, my lord.
Hawkers, there are so many sub-hawkers. Then what could be done?
My lord, I have, my lord, instructions in this.
We cannot manage that because we have to give the certificate first. Because we do not recognize as yet that they are the hawkers or not. Whether they will be permitted to hawk in a particular place. That is the town primary duty of the town vending committee. That has not yet been decided, my lord, to whom the certificate of hawking to be given. That process has not been completed. Therefore, they cannot.
Has it started? Has the process started?
Yes, it has been started.
When?
If you have any grievances,
When has it been?
it has been already started. And
When? How long will it take?
My lord,
that
started.
list has been prepared already one.
Where is the list?
That's why under the decision of the court, my lord, that further action has been taken by the.
Where is the list that has been prepared? You say this is the list.
This is the list, one of the.
This is the private respondents.
So far as the, my lord, in front of the Grand Hotel, there has been, my lord, taken care of, my lord, under the decision of the Lord's court, especially.
Where is the list?
This is the list.
This is the list, right? What about these who say that they were there?
We do not know about them.
We do not know. Very well.
My lord, may I submit? My lord, this is a list of 116 hawkers that the KMC has submitted. My lord, we are 56 amongst them. My lord, if there are other hawkers who claim to be in the list, my lord, we do not have any problem. But hawkers who are not in the list, my lord, we have problem.
Let me see the file once.
My lord, a survey has been conducted in our presence, my lord. Everybody who is vending in the area, my lord, knows whose name is appearing in the list.
Please come. A report has been filed by the learned advocate representing the corporation, signed by the municipal secretary on 14th December 2023, mentioning that the pavement in front of Grand Hotel, Bibidho Grand Hotel, has been demarcated in the presence of the officials of the corporation, Newmarket Police Station, and members of the town vending committee, to ensure that 2/3 of the pavement is earmarked for free movement of pedestrians and 1/3 restricted to the vendors. Stop. Next. Photograph has been produced before this court to show the demarcation of pavement. Stop. Next. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation, and the Newmarket Police Station are directed to keep strict vigil to ensure that the demarcation that has been made is strictly followed and the vendors are restricted and the vendors do not encroach upon the 2/3 portion of the pavement meant for the pedestrians. Stop. Next. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner is aggrieved by the demarcation that has been made. Stop. It has been submitted that at least 10 feet on each side of the main entrance should be kept clear and ought not to be blocked by the vendors to maintain the safety and security of the hotel. Stop. Next. Paragraph.
My lord, 10 feet is already there. My lord,
You wanted more?
yes, my lord. My lord, up to the plans, that would be about 22 feet. What I'm instructed.
10 jagah 22 feet. 22. Achha. As regards the submission made on behalf of some of the hawkers whose names are not appearing in the list of hawkers provided by the corporation, it will be open for the said hawkers to approach the town vending committee for necessary relief. Stop. Next. It will also be open for the petitioner to approach the town vending committee for shifting the demarcation in front of the main entrance of the hotel. Stop. Next. The writ petition stands disposed of.
We have filed a report, my lord.
Report filed by the CSC Limited is taken on record.
My
The
lord.
report mentions that no pilferage was found from the services during inspection and 2 meters have been found to supply electricity to the right-hand side entrance and the left-hand side entrance of the hotel.
My lord, may I just, my lord, since it's being disposed of, my lord, I have one apprehension. My lord, in my writ petition, I had prayed for a mandamus, my lord, restraining the state authorities from having any hawking on this arcade. Reason being, it's a grade 1 heritage building. And when advertisements are not permitted without permission, hawking certainly can't be permitted. It blocks the facade. Now, my lord, the town vending committee is in process of earmarking which would be the hawking zones and which would not be the hawking zones. I don't know where my fate will lie. This arcade perhaps could be declared a hawking zone. Then these rules will apply, what my lord have been decided now. If the arcade is held to be a hawking free zone, then there'll be no hawkers. If ultimately there's a decision that this is indeed a hawking zone, then my lord, I should have the liberty to, my lord, challenge that decision. Because in this writ, my lord, I have prayed for there to be no hawking. And this is an interim measure which the town vending committee has taken. The entire scheme still awaited. My lord, kindly.
Paragraph.
Yes, submitted on this, my lord. This, my lord, while understand other grievances raising now, since the matter is being considered by the division bench regarding the implementation of that particular act, therefore, my if any grievances for primary, whatever the his grievance he also has reached out, that point, my lord, that if he has further any grievances, let him be added here and make his submissions there.
Yes.
Why will this court grant liberty? It is always for the petitioner to apply.
He could approach
Acha. It appears from the prayers made in the writ petition that the petitioner seeks removal of all hawkers / street vendors and pray for declaring the frontage of the hotel as hawker-free zone. Stop. Next. It is made clear that this issue has not been decided by the court in the instant writ petition, and it will be open for the petitioner to take necessary steps in aid of the said prayer before the appropriate forum in accordance with law, if so advised.
I'm so grateful. I'm so
My
grateful.
lord, my application may also be disposed.
All connected applications
I'm grateful.
stands disposed.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
ও 11টা বেজে গেছে না? The matter has already been disposed of by the court on such and such date, 12th December. Stop. No further order is required to be passed therein.
Report has not been that report has come out, but by an affidavit, it does not.
One extension already given. I'm not standing in the way, my lord, but
10.
kindly keep it day after tomorrow then.
Item number 10, record one order, please. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the corporation, stop, comma, let the matter appear in the list on 20th.
Obliged, Lord.
Regarding item number 20, there is some urgency demolition is to be carried on today, 11 a.m. Although
What is who is your other side?
Because I am not.
Item 20. Item 20, record an order.
I am not responsible to. Notice has been issued in favor of another person.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of demolition, which is due to be implemented today.
Although I am not responsible, but my premises number is other.
The learned advocate representing the corporation submits upon instruction that the demolition program has been deferred. Stop. And when will it? And the next date has not yet been decided. Stop. Next. Then I'll postpone the matter after the vacation.
Let it be. I am anxiously praying before your lordship. I am the holding of premises of mine is separate one, and notice has been issued in respect of the separate one. Affixation and demolition order is to be passed in mine.
Very well.
So
let it remain in the let the matter remain in the list. We will see if required.
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. List day after tomorrow.
My lord, 18. My lord, in respect of 18 and 19, my lord, there is certain urgency. Both are analogous matters. My lord, I'm humbly.
Affidavit of service. Item 20, affidavit of service.
My lord, I'm humbly praying, my lord, if this matters can be taken up this side of the vacation. This.
Tomorrow it will be there in the list.
Lord, some
Are we
precedence.
going to the vacation from tomorrow itself?
No, my lord.
Then
I'm only under.
4 more working days to go. Today it's 11:30. That is the reason.
Grateful, man.
এটা বোধহয় ওই CSC র ওইটা।
My lord, item number 11, 12. My lord, item number 11, 12, and 13. My lord, I am for the respondent. Last occasion, my lord, I have seeking my adjournment and sought for my ground, my lord. My lord, I am suffering some certain health issue, my lord. If my lord, the matter be kept after vacation, my lord. My lord, item 11, 12, and 13, my lord, I am.
Please don't mention.
My lord, the interim order is till 27th of December, my lord. Had mentioned
The main order, my lord, is of 22nd March 2023.
Because it's legally unauthorized, we have not taken action under 408, because whatever my land has taken such an exception, whatever big way you have to set the matter, you have to take it and complete.
But we also want the matter to be heard out, my lord. Your lordship may fix any day after the vacation.
Relate the matter, and we will be relying on judgment of this court, and on the basis of that, you have to consent.
But we are also ready, my lord. Any day your lordship fixes, my lord, we'll come and do the matter, my lord.
Please come. The petitioner prays for extension of interim order. Stop. Learned advocate representing the corporation submits that the matter may be taken up on urgent basis as the order of demolition cannot be implemented in view of the interim order passed by this court. Stop. Next. List the matter on 5th January 2024. Stop. The interim order is extended till 25th of January 2024 or until further order, whichever is earlier.
Oblige, my lord.
Hearing. Under the heading hearing.
I am for I am appear for the petitioner.
Lordship, I beg to appear on behalf of the respondents. I am led by
Which respondent? State?
state respondent, Lordship, and I am led by Mr. Suman Sengupta. I am not sure whether an opposition has been served because the change which has come to me after the change in panel, this brief has come to me. So if there is a copy of the opposition, let me serve.
This is a 2022 matter.
But
already served all the copies.
I have got a
Obviously, copy has been
this is the
served.
affidavit copy right now. I just filed. No, because there is a change in the panel. This was this.
To get the copy from the GP's office, the learned advocate who was appearing for the state must have returned the brief over there. You
I
do
have
not
got the copy of the petition, Your Lordship.
What else do you want?
The respondent's position.
Please. You want the respondent's opposition. You are appearing for the respondent and you do not have the copy. It is your department who should provide you a copy.
If it is possible, otherwise I have to ask. This will be convenient.
It will certainly be possible. You can obtain photocopies on your own cost.
That is exactly.
It is certainly.
Lordship, may I file my reply?
Is the opposition on record?
Opposition may not be, madam.
Then?
Not on record, madam. দিয়ে দেবো ওখানে
Please come.
Any date after the vacation, Your Lordship.
Lordship, kindly fix the any date after the vacation.
Affidavit of service taken on record. Stop. Next. Affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner also taken on record. Stop.
Dada.
It appears that the affidavit in opposition is not on record. Learned advocate representing the state respondents are directed to file the affidavit in opposition on the adjourned date. There is an application for addition of party.
I am not receiving any application for addition of party.
You have not received?
No, man, I have not received any application for addition of party.
Addition of party card.
I'm Janina. Justice does not, my lord, inform.
Well, it was not even served upon us. In fact, my lord, we are just appointed. We are absolutely in handicapped condition to.
There is an application for addition of party. The back sheet is of Timir Boron Shaha.
Oh, Timir Dartale.
And There are two applicants. Can one? Acha. Let notice be served upon the learned advocate representing the applicants, intimating the next date of hearing. Stop. Next. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that copy of the application has not been served. Stop. Next. In the event the applicants are interested to proceed with the application for addition of party, comma, let the same be served upon all the parties. Stop. List the matter on 19th of January 2024 for hearing.
This is the assigned matter.
It's a assigned matter, Lordship can take it up any day minute. In the end of the January even.
No,
Oh, which
this
is
is-
all right.
Big problem.
Lordship, in this matter, I appear for the petitioner.
My lord, I am appearing on the municipality. My lord, this is my lord.
May I
report in
file?
the form of affidavit.
Yes, may I also file the exception and the affidavit of service?
You say that notice of hearing was given. You say that it wasn't.
But even apart from that, Lordship, what happened was there's a partition suit going on in the civil court. Now, in this partition suit, the private respondents are parties, but they never appeared. They were issued summons, they never appeared. My brother and two sisters. Subsequently, they complained to the municipality. Now, prior to that, I had gone to the municipality to take permission. Lordship, the letter is here, annexed here. It is in 2017 that I have to make repairs because this is a very old house and dilapidated condition. The municipality did not reply. Then when the civil suit was started on partition, they were informed, the private respondents, they did not appear. Even here, they are not appearing. Now, Lordship, my brother and two sisters, later they made an application.
Tell me, an order of demolition has been passed and that has been sought to be implemented. You are challenging the same.
Actually, Lordship, because the house is so old in a dilapidated condition, I was given the option to make such repairs. Now, the alleged extra construction that they say has taken place, they had filed an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, the private respondents before the civil court, and then they withdrew it as not pressed. So why are they not doing this? They are constantly going to the municipality, and Lordship, municipality under Section 215.
Where is the order of demolition? Please show.
Last annexure. You kindly take the writ petition, last annexure, page 31.
What is the description of the illegal construction?
Without any sanction plan, my lord.
What is the description?
My lord, entire construction is without sanction, my lord.
How big is the construction?
Yes, my lord.
How big is the construction?
My lord, one-storied building.
One-storied building.
There
For
are
how
two
long
rooms.
is
May I
it?
submit the facts, my lord? Actually, if your lordship kindly takes up my report, my lord, your lordship will find page 6. My lord, one after another, my lord, I am placing. Page 6 is the complaint made by their brothers and sisters. Your lordship got it?
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, page 7, inspection was held. Thereafter, my lord,
Where is the report of inspection?
I am showing, my lord.
Please show.
My lord, thereafter, my lord, kindly.
Please show, please show.
Page 28.
Condition. আমি এখান থেকে তোমার কাছে আছে তো এটি নেই যারা
Page 28, from page 28, you please tell me what is the unauthorized construction?
The entire construction is.
What is this entirety of the construction?
Total
It is a
building which
10-storied building.
no, my lord.
How big is the
Only one
construction?
storied building.
Where is it mentioned over here? Serial number B, one new construction without sanction from municipality. Serial number C, old building is in dilapidated condition.
Right, my lord.
What is the description of the new construction?
My lord, for this reason, my lord, I am wanted to, my lord, page 8. One.
Yes.
Page 8, my lord, left hand side. Left hand side, this is the dilapidated construction. My lord, left hand side. And right hand side, this is the new construction. Your lordship will find from page 10, my lord, it will be clear that has been declared, my lord, dangerous building by the municipality. And in the right side, there, my lord, collapse level gate is there. This is the new construction they are making without any sanction. My lord, they are filed a suit for partition for, my lord, entire land. And suit of partition, my lord, there is an order for repair and there is specific direction. No other construction be made by the petitioners except repairing works. By taking advantage of this order, my lord, they are making this construction.
How can they take advantage?
My lord, they have submitted before the municipality. This order was passed, so I am making construction.
No.
Repairing, in the garb of repairing, they are making new construction. This is your submission.
Yes. And secondly, my lord, they have challenged the order of demolition.
And on the date of hearing, where the petitioner is present?
No, never.
There is a letter to the lordship. There's a
Twice date of
Notice
hearing
given.
was notice given, they never appeared.
But moreover, this is an appealable order.
And last
lordship in 215, section 215, they had taken recourse to section 215. Now section 218, sorry. They took recourse to 218. In 215, there is this provision for sending an authorized representative first to inspect. Now a person came. We do not know who he was. There was no authorization, no nothing. But I showed them all the papers, all the documents. Then 215(2) was never complied with. That you show cause, you come. Demolition is the last step. Now, lordship, even against this, when the partition suit was there, the private respondents did.
Why did you not respond to the hearing?
I have annexed it, lordship. I have annexed in the writ petition. I was admitted to hospital. I was in hospital. I was ill. It is there. I have responded that I am not in a position to come. And yet they go on harping on the same point. And in 2017, they did not reply, lordship. They did not reply in 2017 when I had asked for permission.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of demolition passed by the Panihati municipality. Stop. The petitioner submits that he could not be present in the hearing.
Twice.
As he was physically unwell and indisposed. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the municipality submits that 2 opportunities were given for hearing. and the petitioner deliberately chose not to appear. Stop. It has been submitted that the impugned order of demolition is an appealable one, and this court ought not to entertain the writ petition. Paragraph. I have heard the submission made on behalf of both the parties. Stop. It appears that there is a civil suit in between the parties, in between the private parties, seeking partition of the subject property. Stop. There is an old dilapidated construction standing at the subject land, and a new construction is alleged to be made. Paragraph. It is an admitted fact that the petitioner, for the reasons best known, was not able to attend the hearing. Stop. Next paragraph. To give one chance to the petitioner to disclose his stand as regards the construction made, the municipality is directed to permit a further opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties. Stop. Next. It will be open for the petitioner to either attend the hearing himself or to be represented by a legal representative. Stop. Next. The municipality, upon perusal of the documents placed by the parties, shall take a decision with regard to the construction in question, and thereafter pass a reasoned order and communicate the same to all the parties. Stop. Next. The municipality is directed to keep the impugned order of demolition in abeyance till a fresh order is passed upon hearing all the parties. Paragraph. Steps shall be taken in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Paragraph. The report in the form of affidavit filed by the municipality and the exception thereto filed by the petitioner be written with the records. Do you have anything to file? No.
Lordship, just one point. This is just by way of reference. Lordship, there was a call for mediation by the learned court below, and both the advocates agreed. But later they did not come for this mediation.
Yes.
বলেছি আর এখন কি দরকার তোমার তো 8 সপ্তাহ সময় দিতে হবে তো রিফ্রেশ ওটাই চাইছিল না কিছু করার নেই যেতেই সেটা ভালো না সেটা
I take forward the respondent to 9 and 10. Private respondent.
You are the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship was directed in the last petition on hearing regarding the water supply connection and unauthorized construction. That report, my lord, 2 departments were directed. One, regarding the water supply, in whose name the connection was there, existing water supply connection is there or not. And another, my lord, regarding the nature and extent of the unauthorized construction, if any, in the building. Inspection has been conducted in presence of all the parties. But so far as the water supply department report is concerned, my lord, I find, my lord, that the water supply connection is there.
And does the water supply connection cater to all the lots over here?
But yes, now the lots are not there, different premises numbers have already been given, my lord.
Then why do not you...
The water supply connection in that particular lot A, which is, my lord, 9A, possibly Kashidattu Street, the connection is what there.
Connection is there?
The connection, water supply connection is there. It is the inspector just said. And it is in the name of some Joshua.
Jaiswal?
Joshua.
Who is Jaiswal?
My lord, I appear for the Jaiswal, my lord. They
Oh.
are the private respondents.
I see.
It is in the
Who is the owner?
I am the owner of the
Who is
lot,
Jaiswal?
lot B, lot. I mean, I am not the owner of Jaiswal. I am the petitioner. Jaiswal is the 9 and 10 of the respondent.
You have implemented 9 and 10?
No, I am the petitioner, my lord.
My lord,
Sir,
9 and 10
they-
is the
my lord,
private respondents, my lord.
my lord, আমি একটা কথা বলছি আপনাকে।
Private respondents, they have, my lord,
One-
complained against us.
1 minute.
মাই লর্ড, ওরা যে কর্পোরেশন যে জলের কানেকশনটা দিয়েছে 2008 সালে, কিন্তু যার নামে দিতে সে হচ্ছে অপসরি বালাসে আমার কাকিমা, সে অলরেডি মারা গেছে লট এ পোর্শন 2006 সালে, আর 2008 সালে পারমিশন দিতে অপসরি বালাসার নামে। 1 নম্বর। 2 নম্বরটা কি, এরা বলছে যে আমরা ট্রান্সফার করেছি জয়সওয়ালের নামে। Unauthorized construction as per rule of the building department as unauthorized construction কখনোই তাকে জলে কানেকশন দিতে পারে না।
আপনি তো আপনার জলের কানেকশন নিয়ে চিন্তিত।
আমার জলের কানেকশন, আমি চাইছি যে unauthorized constructionটা হবে কেন?
আপনি জলের কানেকশন নিয়ে মামলাটা করেননি? আপনি আনঅথরাইজড কনস্ট্রাকশন নিয়ে মামলা করেছেন?
Yes, unauthorized construction, not only unauthorized construction, এখানে যে কোটি কোটি টাকা যে লেনদেন হয়েছে মিহির কুমার
আপনি
সাহা।
কি চাইছেন এখানে?
আমি চাইছি একটা হচ্ছে যে unauthorized constructionটা হয়েছে এবং কর্পোরেশন যে কোটি কোটি টাকা দুর্নীতি করেছে এই সমস্ত unauthorized constructionের জন্য সে মিহির কুমার সাহা হচ্ছে তার মেন মাথা। অতএব এইটাকে আমি চাইছি যে অনারেবল কোর্ট মনিটরিং করুক এই unauthorized constructionের কোটি কোটি টাকা যে
এই মিহির কুমার সাহাকে
এই হচ্ছে মাস্টার মাইন্ড এই সমস্ত unauthorized construction এ ড্রেনেজ কানেকশন, ওয়াটার কানেকশন, বিল্ডিং, ফ্ল্যাট সমস্ত ব্যাপারে
আপনার প্রেমাইসেস এর জলের কানেকশন আছে তো?
না, আমার পারমিশন না, জলের কানেকশন নাই।
আপনার জলের দরকার নেই?
জলের দরকার মাই লর্ড আছে। ওই যে আনঅথরাইজড কনস্ট্রাকশনটা যে করেছে, জলটা যে নিয়েছে মরা মানুষের নামে, এটাই তো হচ্ছে বেআইনি।
আপনি কি নিজের নামে জলের কানেকশন নিতে ইচ্ছুক?
আমি নিশ্চয়ই ইচ্ছুক, কিন্তু
আপনি কি দরখাস্ত করেছেন?
আমি দরখাস্ত করেছিলাম। হ্যাঁ, আমি দরখাস্ত করেছিলাম, তখন কর্পোরেশন বলছে যে তোমাকে আমি জলের কানেকশন দেব না, কারণ 9A BC বলছে। লর্ডশিপ, প্রিমিসেস হচ্ছে 9B কাশিরাত্রি স্ট্রিট, নট BC। কর্পোরেশন চুরি করে ওই বি আর কি সি ভাগ করেছে। অনারেবল হাইকোর্ট অর্ডার দিয়েছে প্রিমিসেস নাম্বার 9।
আপনি তো 9A নিয়ে, আপনার মামলা তো 9A নিয়ে।
হ্যাঁ, না লট,
আপনি 9A তে আছেন তো?
আমি 9B তে আছি।
আপনি 9B তে আছেন। 9B তে কোনো জলের কানেকশন নেই?
না, আনফিল্টার ওয়াটার কানেকশনটা আছে।
আনফিল্টার্ড, আপনার ফিল্টার ওয়াটার
150 বছরের।
আপনি ফিল্টার ওয়াটারের কানেকশন চাইছেন?
চেয়েছিলাম, দেয়নি কোর্ট।
দেয়নি, সেইটাই কি আপনার
কর্পোরেশন
অভিযোগ?
দেয়নি। সে তো গ্রিভেন্স আছেই, কিন্তু আমার যে বাইরের কমন প্যাসেজ সব বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে। কোর্ট, হাইকোর্ট, সিটি কোর্ট অর্ডার দিয়েছিল যে তুমি আলাদা সেপারেট করতে পারবে না, যাতায়াতের পথ কমন বাধা দিতে পারবে না। আমার সমস্ত পাঁচিল তুলে আমার যাতায়াতের পথ সব বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে। আমার ইলেকট্রিক লাইটটাও কেটে দিয়েছিল। আমি আবার কোর্টে দরখাস্ত করে আবার লাইট পাই। সেই লাইটের জন্য আমি স্যার লর্ডশিপ 8 মাস ধরে যন্ত্রণা ছটফট করেছি। প্রত্যেকটি কোর্টে করোনার সময় প্রত্যেকটি কোর্টে দুয়ারে দুয়ারে গিয়েছি। আমি মেনশন করেছিলাম যে আমার ইলেকট্রিক এই লোকাল কাউন্সিলর, কিছু গুন্ডা বাহিনী, হ্যাঁ, এরা করেছে কি বাধা দিয়েছে সমস্ত কাজে। শুধু তাই না, এরা পুলিশ আমাকে ধরে আটকে রেখেছিল রাত্রি 12টা পর্যন্ত। পুলিশই পুলিশ আমি কটা ছবি আপনাকে লর্ডশিপ দেখাবো। ছবিটা দিলে তাহলে হয় কি, আমার এই এত যে 400 পাতার যে এটা, সেইটা আশা করি হয়তো আমি বোঝাতে পারবো করতে, যদি পারমিশন দেন। আমি 4টে ছবি খালি দেবো আর
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়ান। Mr. Ghosh, tell me, the petitioner is in 9B.
Your Lordship asked me as far as the 9A is concerned, we have given that report because they were all there present, whatever their contentions are there, that has been recorded, and thereafter this report has been prepared.
The petitioner is in 9B, he says.
9B, my lord, if he is, my lord, so far as the 9B is concerned, Your Lordship specifically recorded 9A. That is 9A, lot A. Lot A means, my lord, 9 Kashinath Datta Street.
Sir, not building the not particle. একসঙ্গে আমরা তিন কাকিমা, আমার দুই কাকিমা, আমার মা, তিনজনে একসঙ্গে বসবাস
Now
করার জন্য
there are
বাড়িটা
3
কিনেছে।
premises. They are not out of
9B is lot A. 9B টাই কি lot A?
না, 9B টা হচ্ছে লট এ, লট
A,
বি,
B
লট
and
সি।
C. Therefore, my lord,
না, রাখবি লট 9B টা
No, please. You come in later, right? He is the petitioner. Let him place his case first. Yes.
প্রিমিসেস নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে 9B কাশীদত্ত স্ট্রিট, লট এ, লট বি, লট সি। কিন্তু এরা দরখাস্ত সিটি কোর্টে কেস করেছিল আমার কাকিমা সেপারেশন করে বলে, সেপারেশন সিডি, সেপারেশন কলেজ জল, সেপারেশন সবকিছু করে বলে, কিন্তু কোর্ট কিচ্ছু দেয়নি। শর্ট ফর বাই দ্য প্লেন বলে কাজ সিডিতে কোর্ট বলেছে প্রিমিসেস নাম্বার 9B কাশীদত্ত স্ট্রিট, কোর্ট বলেছে। এবং কর্পোরেশনও সেই সময় কেসে বলেছিল প্রিমিসেসটা 9B 7B ভাগ করা যাবে না। কিন্তু এরা চুরি করে মিহির সাহা, এই মিহির সাহা এই সমস্ত গুলো 2 নম্বরই করে এই সমস্ত গুলো করেছে। শুধু তাই না, পুলিশি অত্যাচার, রাজনীতির নেতাদের অত্যাচার প্রচন্ড রূপে হয়েছে। আমাকে রাত্রে 12টা পর্যন্ত থানায় আটকে ছিল পুলিশ। আমি সেই পুলিশের বিরুদ্ধেই কেস করেছি এই 8 সেকশন 4-এ। দিল্লিতে সেই কেস পেন্ডিং আছে। পুলিশ আমাকে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে, আমিও পুলিশকে অ্যারেস্ট করবার জন্য 8 সেকশন 4-এ আমি করেছি।
মিহির শাহকে কি আপনি সার্ভিস করেছেন?
হ্যাঁ করেছি, নেয়নি, কোনো চিঠি নেয়নি। অত মিহির শাহর একটা চিঠি আপনাকে আমি যদি দেখাতে পারি, মানে খুব ভালো হয় যদি আপনি পারমিশন দেন। মিহির শাহ 16 নম্বর কাশিয়া স্ট্রিটে 2টো ওয়াটার কানেকশন, 3টে ড্রেনেজ কানেকশন নিয়েছে। আমি ভিজিলেন্স ডিপার্টমেন্টকে বলতে গেলাম, ভিজিলেন্স ডিপার্টমেন্ট কি আমি বললাম আপনার কর্পোরেশনের লোকেরা কোটি কোটি টাকা বিনিময়ে ঘুষ খেয়ে এই সমস্ত করতে। তখন আমাকে ভিজিলেন্স অফিসার বলছেন আমি আপনাকে অ্যারেস্ট করব। আমি বললাম আমি আপনার চেম্বারে বসে আছি, আপনি আমাকে অ্যারেস্ট করুন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
but I stand correct, my lord, that lot A, I find, my lord, from the report of the building department, that law it is 9B Kashinath Datta Road. But report is in
The
respect of
mother
lot-
premises is 9B, and that has been possibly there was a mutual settlement of ABC and which did not materialize. So the property is
So far as the premises
undemarcated.
number which has been given by the assessment department
Is 9B.
9B lot A.
What is your submission?
Your lordship, my lord. Previously, my lord, 9B was a separate premises. As far as my instruction goes, my lord, in 1949, that premises had been partitioned into 3 separate lots.
Where from are you getting this?
My lord, I am just taking instruction from my client.
What instruction? Did you check up the records?
I did not, my lord.
Why?
But my lord, one thing, lordship, kindly hear me for a moment, my lord. I am the purchaser of lot B of 9B, my lord.
If the property is undemarcated,
Yes.
how will you understand which is lot B and lot C? You have to check up the partition deed first.
Yes, my lord, but just hear me for a moment, my lord. When I purchased the property from one Mr. Pandey, these staircases which they are complaining of unauthorized construction, that was already in existence. Even when Mr. Pandey had purchased, my lord,
Whatever.
then the staircase was
It
in
goes, the matter goes to the root of the issue.
Lordship.
The property is undemarcated.
Yes, my
Please
lord.
show me your
Then, my lord,
partition
kindly
deed.
allow me to use an affidavit, my lord.
Very well, affidavit can be used, no difficulty. But in
My
the
lord, I have
meantime,
submitted Article 226, Title
Now,
226.
another thing. Lordship, on the other day I submitted, my lord, he had filed a case in the city civil court complaining of the same unauthorized construction that he is not saying, disclosing, and that case is pending, making me a party, making corporation a party. And that case is pending in the learned city civil court.
yes.
But that he is suppressing.
No, my lord, I am not suppressing anything because
Civil suit is pending. Hey, এটা দাও তো। আরে ওটা কোথায় গেল?
Lordship, my High Court had already been ordered. Better particulars. High Court order, better particulars.
No, you keep it with you.
High Court order, better particulars. I have submitted this. At that time, why they not tell me?
Did you make the partition in between the lots? Has it been blocked?
My lord,
What he is
when I
saying?
purchased the property already had been partitioned, my lord.
Very well.
Please produce the documents.
When I purchased
Till you can show.
were already in existence.
till you can show the partition deed, it has to be taken that it's an unpartitioned property. And if anything is there, that will be demolished.
Lordship, I have submitted the title sheet number 226, 1972. That is just last part of page 49 and page 49 and 50. They clearly mentions court order there. No, আপনাকে কিছুই দেবো না, শুধু
এই 14 নম্বর রেসপন্ডেন্ট মিহির কুমার সাহা ব্যক্তি কে?
ব্যক্তি হচ্ছে 9-10 যে বিক্রি করেছে যে এরা বাড়িটা অপসরা সাহার ছেলে, লট এ অপসরা সাহার ছেলে। সে কর্পোরেশনে চাকরি করছে, এখন সেই
আপনার ভাইপো তো?
আমার দাদা।
দাদা?
হ্যাঁ, সেই দাদা সামান্য একটা লেবারের চাকরি করতো, এখন সে 100 কোটি টাকার মালিক, তার ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার। কি করে আমরা একটা গেজেটেড অফিসার, আমরা 1 কোটি টাকার মালিক হতে পারলাম না, সে একটা লেবার কোটি কোটি টাকার মালিক।
সে উনি যদি বিক্রি করে থাকেন তাহলে উনি বিক্রিটা আপনি চ্যালেঞ্জ করতে পারেন।
আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ তো করি, সিটি কোর্টে কেস চলছে,
চলছে,
কেস চলছে।
এইখানেতে আপনি জল চাইছেন, আপনি জল পান?
না, জল পাইনি।
কোথা থেকে পান জল?
আমি জলটা রাস্তায় পয়সা দিয়ে কিনে খাই।
জল কিনে খান? এই রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 9 and 10 কি জল পায়, ফিল্টার ওয়াটার পায়?
কেস পায়, সেটা অনাথ মোনা মানুষের নামে জলটা নিয়েছে, এবং যেটা নিয়েছে তার কোনো ড্রেনেজ কানেকশন নেই, ওয়াটার কিছু কানেকশন নেই। কি করে সে দেবে স্যার? ড্রেনেজ কানেকশন কর্পোরেশন তো পরিষ্কার বলতে নো ড্রেনেজ কানেকশন।
That was disconnected and thereafter it was provided in the name of,
হতেই পারে না,
in the name of Rajkumar Jaiswal and Rani Jaiswal.
আনঅথরাইজড কনস্ট্রাকশন ডিসকানেক্ট দিতে পারে না কলেজ জল। কর্পোরেশন দেখুন ভালো করে,
কোনটা আনঅথরাইজড কনস্ট্রাকশন?
ওই যে 9 লট এ পোরশনটা।
লট এ পোরশন?
হ্যাঁ, 15/10/2007 দেখুন অর্ডার দিয়েছে কোর্ট,
ঠিক আছে,
নো স্যাংশন প্ল্যান।
ঠিক আছে। There is an allegation of unauthorized construction in lot A. Did you check up?
Well, there has been check up, but they had the report which has come, that is the reasons why I'm submitting. They say the certain action has been taken, but without mentioning the nature and extent of the unauthorized construction, for which one.
Where is that?
15/10/2007 কর্পোরেশন নোটিশ দিয়েছে, বিল্ডিং ডিপার্টমেন্ট আনঅথরাইজড কনস্ট্রাকশন স্টপ করতে দিয়েছিল, তারপর 6 মাস পরে কলেজ জল নিয়ে নিল মোনা মানুষের নামে।
দাঁড়ান, আপনি where is that?
This is only online. He mainly refers to the water supply and drainage connection.
What about the unauthorized construction?
Only one line I find, building department, Bureau 2 had already taken action for unauthorized construction, which is under process.
From when is it under process and how long will it remain under process?
That is the lacking, my lord. That is the reason
Please
for
come.
submitting this report to you.
Please come.
Great.
The petitioner complains of unauthorized construction at lot A.
লর্ডশিপ, আমার কাছে একটা ভিডিও করা আছে, ওরা যে ইন্সপেকশন করতে গেছে তার ভিডিওটা করা আছে আমার কাছে।
কবে ইন্সপেকশন করতে গিয়েছিল?
13 তারিখে তার ভিডিও করা আছে আমার।
13 তারিখ, এই মাসের 13 তারিখ?
হ্যাঁ, আমার ভিডিও করা আছে।
ঠিক আছে, আপনি ছিলেন তো ইন্সপেকশন?
হ্যাঁ, আমি ছিলাম এবং ভিডিও করে রেখেছি।
আপনি দেখিয়েছেন তো কোন জায়গাগুলো আনঅথরাইজড আছে?
শুনলই না আমার কথা, মাই লর্ড।
শোনেনি?
না, আমি বললাম এখানে লর্ড সিতে আনঅথরাইজড ড্রেন আছে, ভেতর দিকে যান দোকানে ড্রেন আছে, শুনলই না আমার কথা। বিল্ডিং বললো আপনি ভিডিও করতে পারবেন না, তারও আমার রেকর্ডিং করা আছে। কি ধর্মকানি আমাকে ওই জয়সওয়াল 9-10।
These are disputed questions of fact, my lord, which your lordship may not entertain. Then he has to say through an affidavit.
We will look at it. How to deal with submissions.
Submission, kindly record my submission. He has suppressed certain facts. This litigation is pending in the city civil court. He had come at a belated stage after a third party interest had been created. Kindly record my submissions, my lord.
কি বললাম? Construction over lot A of premises number 9B, Kashi Datto Street. Stop. It has been submitted that the corporation conducted an inspection, but the corporation failed to note down the illegalities pointed out at the time of inspection. এই মলয় দরজাটা বন্ধ করুন তো। At the time of inspection. ঠিক আছে? The petitioner further submits that he does not have a filter water connection at his portion of the premises. Stop. The property in question is an unpartitioned one. Stop. Next. The corporation is directed to conduct fresh spot inspection upon notice to all the parties and record all the submissions made by the petitioner at the time of inspection. The corporation will thereafter take a decision as to whether any unauthorized construction has been made over lot A of the subject property. Lot B te kono unauthorized construction আছে?
No, my lord.
C te আছে?
শীতে unauthorized কথা ড্রেনেজ কানেকশনটা আছে।
Stop. It has been submitted that the drainage system in lot C has been constructed in an unauthorized manner. The same shall also be inspected and a decision taken thereon. Paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the corporation that there is water connection. There is domestic filter water connection in the name of Mr. Rajkumar Jaiswal and Mrs. Rani Jaiswal in lot A portion of the subject premises. Paragraph. The the corporation shall rely upon the deed of partition, if any, to ascertain the portions which are identified by lots. Stop. Next. The petitioner insists that there is no deed of partition and the construction as well as the water connection has been obtained in an unauthorized manner. Stop. Paragraph. The corporation is directed to take steps in terms of the direction passed herein above at the earliest, but positively by 29th December 2023. The matter is made returnable on 8th of January 2024.
Lordship,
when the premises number has been given, the question of question regarding the partition or not by mix and bounds that does not possibly arise because
why not?
The separate premises number is there.
How could you separate the premises? There must
I have not
be
separated. I mean, the purchase there on the basis of the deed itself, we have recorded this particular portion.
If somebody
the court order 226 article 2 statute should number 226
আপনি অপেক্ষা
72.
করুন।
It's a deed possibly it was recorded. Therefore, when the premises number has been given, otherwise only one premises could be given without the partition or something like that. Unless the parties approach to us, then he has to question about the assignment of the numbers premises. Otherwise, how it could be done? Because number is given already, separate assessment is made.
How do you make the assessment checkup? For the purpose of assessment, there must be some dimensions of the property.
That is reflected in the deed. Then what is the area of that? On the basis of that, I am submitting to your lordship a particular premises identified with the numbers.
Very well.
Now
If
the
there
numbers
is
is
no,
there.
if
He
there
says
is,
that it's on a partition or not, I cannot go into that issue. But the
if
thing,
there is no water connection in the petitioner's premises,
the petitioner premises, I said one of the premises, if he says one of the 9B,
lot
A 9B, there is a water supply connection. That is in the name of the two persons.
the petitioner and the private respondent are in different lots.
The petitioner, I do not know, my lord. I am submitting, my lord, so far as the premises.
আপনি আর প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট কি একই লটের মধ্যে আছেন?
Different lots.
Lord, premises number 9B classified lot A, lot B, lot C.
আপনি আর প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট কি একই লটের মধ্যে আছেন?
না,
আলাদা লটে আছেন তো?
লটটা আলাদা, কিন্তু কমন সিনিফিনি সব বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে। জাস্ট লিসেন।
লট আলাদা তো?
হ্যাঁ, লট আলাদা, কিন্তু হাইকোর্ট, অনারেবল হাইকোর্ট জাস্টিস মুকুল কুমার মুখার্জি আর নিখিল রঞ্জন ব্যানার্জি অর্ডার দিয়েছে ইলেকট্রিক সাপ্লাইটা লট এ তে আমার আছে। আমার লট এ তে, লট এ পোরশনে আমার ইলেকট্রিক সাপ্লাই আছে।
সেপারেট লটস আর দেয়ার।
Separate lots may be there. Now, after the lots,
আমার কাছে হাইকোর্টের অর্ডার আছে।
on the basis of the lot, the premises number could be given if the lot is specified by any court's order. Now, here in this case, my lord, is not the today or yesterday, my lord, it has been, my lord, the assignment is the number is there. Now, how could I say the amalgamated?
There are different numbers to two different premises, then the petitioner will be entitled to a separate water connection.
The petitioner has a separate premises number. If he resides there, if he approaches there, then of course, my lord, it could be considered.
Check up the
Water
water supply department of the corporation.
Investigation cannot be done by us.
The water supply department of the corporation shall explore the possibility of shall inspect to ascertain as to whether there is any separate filter water connection in the petitioner's premises.
Which is his number, my lord?
Lordship, lot B separation number they have applied, corporation not accepted. They have applied for separation number BC, corporation not accepted. Corporation clearly stated premises number 9B Calcutta Street.
At lot
BC not difference.
Lot
corporation
at lot
later.
B.
Corporation already issued later.
The matter is made returnable on 8th January.
My lord, may I make one humble submission, my lord?
Yes.
At the time of inspection, my lord, if your lordship kindly direct my client to be present also.
Yes,
So that he
to
can
all the
perform-
parties. To all the parties, your client will also be present.
My lord, just 1 minute. Kolkata Corporation, they have issued a letter. Separation number will not be accepted. Premises number 9B Calcutta Street. They have article title sheet number 226/722. They have given evidence in court.
That is the reason what
Our
I'm saying, my
High
lord.
Court order.
He has filed a suit on a similar cause of action, and that
Private respondent, you are an advocate of this court. The matter is over. The petitioner is appearing in person. He is a senior citizen. You are not required to answer to his submissions.
I
Please.
bow down to your lordship, but you should disclose all the facts, my lord.
I have disclosed that the Honorable High Court has given the order. Premises number 9B Calcutta Street. High Court has given the order. 9B, 9C, 9B, 9C.
Why are you replying? He is a senior citizen appearing person. He may have genuine grievances. You are an advocate. Why will you reply?
Hi, I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
By order dated 5th of December, my lord directed the corporation of municipal authorities to conduct an inspection. Inspection was held on 12th of December, my lord, and today is fixed for submission of report by the.
What is the report?
Was held. Report we could, my lord, it will take some time. Firstly, my lord, we have made a demolition already. 5 to 6 days we have made demolition. Thereafter, my lord directed me to make an inspection. The sanction portion is required.
D+1 is my sanction plan.
Is required to be detected, my lord.
Deviation measurement, my lord has directed to make the measurement. The measurement taken at the time of inspection shall be clearly recorded.
Let me hear.
Madam directed me to cause an inspection by 14th. I have done it by 12th. At 12th, we have done it. Some time may be given for report.
Please come.
My lord, already unauthorized floors has been demolished. In the meantime, my lord, no coercive steps should not be taken, my lord.
Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner as well as the corporation submits upon instruction that the inspection has been conducted. Stop. The petitioner was present at the time of inspection. Stop. The report of inspection is, however, to be supplied to the parties. Stop. Let the report be supplied to the parties. Stop. An opportunity of hearing shall be granted to the parties, and thereafter the corporation shall take a decision in the matter. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the corporation submits that portion of unauthorized construction has already been demolished.
No, not full portion, madam.
Portions.
Portions.
Unauthorized floors has been demolished, my lord.
আচ্ছা লিখুন তো ওটা কেটে learned advocate for the corporation submits that partial demolition has taken place. Paragraph. The corporation is directed to take further steps in the matter only after the reasoned order is passed and communicated to the parties. Writ petition stands disposed of. Instruction by the corporation be written with the records.
We will not, we will take further steps.
After the final order is
Further coercive, my lord may mention. Otherwise,
further
coercive. Because
further coercive steps. Further steps বলেছিলাম coercive steps.
And immediately after passing the regional communication, we will take, my lord.
My lord, I am being led by Mr. Tanmay Mukherjee. May I be permitted to put his name?
Why? You are there.
My lord, he is engaged in courtroom number 6.
Let him remain engaged, no difficulty.
Much less.
I am waiting for the Deputy Service. Here I am challenging the order that is page 32 passed by the chairman. That in specification has been given that on 19/12/2023.
Mahasthala municipality.
I served. Oh, Mahasthala municipality. Malad, here the chairman has passed the order of demolition. Malad, I am challenging that as per 218(1), Malad, the chairman alone is not competent to pass the order of demolition. And Malad, this order has been passed. Malad, the behind the petitioner was not absent. In earlier
last page is the order of demolition.
Yes, last page.
It is signed by the chairman, but the office, the letter it is of the board of councillors of the municipality.
Chairman, Mahasthala municipality.
No, he is only the forwarding authority.
Malad, nowhere that was page 32. Page 32. That is order on 5/12/2023.
Right.
And no specification of plot is there. Malad, the unpartitioned land, if your lordship kindly say the record, that is page 16. Only Malad demolition order has been passed on 19/12/2023 at 1 p.m. No specification of plot, nothing.
Show me the order of demolition dated 12th June 23.
12th June 23.
Yes, on hearing order, page 20, page 30.
30. 29 is the notice of hearing and page 30. Here is also no specification of plot because the petitioner and the private respondent is the co-owner of the property and the respondent number 7 also not residing there.
See, specification is there. Demolish the unauthorized two-storied construction at the subject site which has been constructed without any
Malad,
sanction plan.
Page 16, so kindly say for a moment.
Page
16, 16. That is the dark number 742. The alleged construction. Other co-owners are there. Well, there are 4 co-owners and all have construction bastu. I have a mud house. I applied for construction of a roof that was still pending before the authority concerned, and they did not taken into consideration my application, and the demolition order has been passed over 742. 742 over 742, other 3 co-owners house is there, and my house is a mud one. I made application before the authority concerned. If your lordship kindly see for a moment.
You do not have the two-storied construction.
No, there was no specification. I have a mud wall, and for that reason, I made complaint, representation before the authority for granting permission for roof construction. That is page 26.
No, is it your specific case that you have a one-storied building mud house?
Yes.
One-storied mud house.
Yes.
No two-storied building.
No. Malad, that is in page 16, my record of rights.
No, not record of rights.
That is old, my father's house, old one.
Two-storied?
No, that is mud house.
Still now it is the mud house.
Still now, I made application, page 26.
No, but then you say the two-storied building does not exist in your portion.
No. Page 26, I made application on 18/7/2023. The authority concerned received and specification has been given. 742 যৌথ সম্পত্তিতে বসবাস করি আমি মহাশয়, ইটের দেওয়াল ও টালির ছাউনি ঘরে থাকি। এই ঘরটি খুবই ভঙ্গুর অবস্থায়, এমতো অবস্থায় আমি আপনাকে অনুরোধ করছি উক্ত
So let the municipality go and demolish the two-storied building. Why are you so concerned about the mud house?
Adjacent plot, that is in my plot, other co-owners are there. They did not send him a notice, and on the basis of the written complaint that was municipality has taken step, they did not at all reside there.
You are not concerned with the two-storied house?
Two-storied house.
They will go and demolish the two-storied house.
That is my son's house.
Now you say it is your son's house.
Son house.
So let the son's house be demolished. Why are you so concerned?
That was given on the chairman. No board of councillor.
Sorry.
Order has been passed.
Please come.
And no specification. Which house?
The petitioner.
There are other house also.
Is aggrieved by the communication dated 5th December 2023 issued by the chairman Mahestala Municipality to implement the order of demolition passed by the Board of Councillors of the municipality on 23rd June 2023. Stop. It appears from the order of demolition that all the parties were heard, and the Board of Councillors concluded that a two-storied construction has been made in the undemarcated joint property without obtaining any sanctioned plan. Stop. A stop work notice was issued in March 2021, but the person responsible continued with the construction work, defying the stop work notice. Stop. The Board of Councillors, relying upon Section 218 of the West Bengal Municipal Act 1993, directed the petitioner to demolish the unauthorized two-storied construction within 30 days of receipt of the order, failing which the municipality will demolish the same and realize the cost of demolition from the person concerned. Paragraph, time to demolish the unauthorized construction has expired. Stop. The chairman of the municipality accordingly served notice to demolish the same and to realize the cost of demolition in terms of rule 200, not rule, section 218 within bracket 1 of the act. Stop paragraph. The petitioner contends that the specification of the structure which has been held to be unauthorized is not mentioned. Stop. The order of demolition was passed by the chairman of the municipality and not by the board of councillors as required in law. Paragraph. I have heard the submission made on behalf of the petitioner and peruse the materials on record. Stop. It appears that prior to passing the order of demolition, the board of councillors issued notice to all the parties to appear for a hearing. Stop. The parties, along with their learned advocate, was present at the time of hearing. Stop. The board of councillors perused the field enquiry report and concluded that the construction of two-storied building without a sanctioned plan is unauthorized and accordingly passed order of demolition. Stop. Had the petitioner been aggrieved by the order of demolition, then the petitioner ought to have approached the appellate authority for relief. Stop. Instead, the petitioner chose to sit tight. Stop. After the notice was issued by the chairman of the municipality for implementing the order of demolition, the petitioner has rushed to the court to challenge the order of demolition. Stop. The same is impermissible. Stop. The order of demolition appears to have been passed by the board of councillors of the municipality upon hearing all the parties. Stop. The court does not find any apparent infirmity with the order of demolition, which has attained finality by now and is liable to be implemented. Stop. Next. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
My lord, only one indulgence.
Affidavit of service taken on record.
My lord, only one indulgence. Urgent server copies, since my lord the matter is, my lord, for demolition tomorrow itself.
Great.
So item number 7, my lord, I am appealing for the petitioner.
Item number 7, we are representing private respondent number 7.
You filed your wakalatnama in the department?
Lordship, on 11th December, we have already filed.
Well, item number 8, the private respondent number 7 herein has filed that writ petition, but no copy has been served upon us. My lord, item number 7, my lord, we are challenging an order of demolition passed by the Bidhanagar Municipal Corporation.
1 minute. We are hearing both the matters together.
Yes, madam. My lord.
So without the copy, will you be able to proceed?
No, my lord, if they don't say that they'll serve me even if I serve.
Item numbers 7 and 8 are being heard together.
Yes, my lord.
You are for the petitioner in item number 8. Did you serve the copy upon the private respondent? Very well.
My lord, may I indicate one more thing? My lord, item number 171 has also been filed by the petitioner alleging illegal construction by the respondent number 7. That is running, it was 171.
Let it remain in the position. Now tell me what is the matter of item number 7.
My lord, we are challenging an order of demolition dated 21st of June 2023, my lord. My lord, hearing the main allegation against the petitioner is that the plan that has been submitted by the petitioner is not a genuine and does not match with the records of the Bidhanagar Municipal Corporation. My lord, we have made a specific averment, my lord, that we are in possession of the property. We purchased that. We had even been issued completion certificate. That would appear at page 33 of the writ petition. 36, my lord.
No, but then after perusal of this,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
corporation has come to
No,
the
madam, may I indicate one
conclusion
more
that
thing,
this
madam? Now
is
what
not
happened?
gen-
The property is an old and dilapidated. We engaged the respondent number 8 to make repairs in the property. Now he said that he will obtain a sanction plan and construct another floor. Now, my lord, he did all the same. Gave us a plan issued by the Deed and Rajarhat Gopalpur municipality. We obtained that, madam. We are residing in that premises. Now there was this complaint. A writ petition was filed before this court. My lord, wherein the representation was directed to be considered by the BMC. Now BMC called us for hearing. We went and we provided that plan itself. That this is the plan that has been provided to us. They say that it is not genuine. Well, we say that no inspection has been made. No spot verification has been made.
If the plan is found to
No,
be
kindly
not
indicate,
genuine,
address he cannot be located.
Same address.
yes.
Yes. No, my lord, nothing has been done on that regard. The plan that has been given to us was issued by the Deed and Rajarhat Gopalpur municipality. Well, no records were produced that whether that plan even was matched with the original one. But we had even made later, after coming to know that that is not a proper sanction plan, man, on that day, but we had even lodged general diaries before the Bagwihati police station indicating the same.
Now, what the corporation will do, tell me.
No, my lord, we had even given an RTI saying that the two-story structure, that is existing two-story structure, is a valid one and is according to the sanction plan. Let them produce the sanction plan with regard to my premises.
They say
later, that is the issue with them. The letter plan that I've indicated, my lord. I've indicated the plan number that I've submitted. That is the letter plan of 2018. I have been residing in that premises for around 50 years and above.
Milord,
Let them give me an opportunity. Let them supply the original plan to my premises. I've given them an RTI.
Why don't you apply for a duplicate plan from the corporation?
I do not have I have made that averment in my writ petition, my lord. After coming to,
why don't you obtain a plan from them under the RTI? You can.
No, I have applied before them. I had applied before them. That is yet to be received, my lord. That is yet to be received.
Yet.
We had not received
Reply.
that plan. No,
The
no.
reply is yet to be
Reply along
received.
with the plan, my lord. We also
Is yet to be received.
Yet to be received, my lord.
Yes.
I was only praying, my lord, until unless that comes, for this demolition order be kept in abeyance. I was only praying for that.
Demolition order passed by the corporation.
But the third floor is held to be.
But third floor, my lord, it kindly comes to the page number. Second last page, my lord.
Existing G+3-storied building, of which third floor is partly
constructed, my lord.
The building.
What I obtained from instruction, my lord, it was an old,
not the name of the private owner. Hence, a copy of the plan submitted.
But it is an old Chile. It was an old Chile Kotaka in a broken condition, my lord. If my lord wants, I will file a supplementary affidavit, but indicating the complaint that I have lodged, my lord, and every other document that were produced before that.
Who is the private respondent? Complainant?
My lord, the respondent number 7, Ashish Gahan. He is the complainant. He is the next door neighbor.
Adjacent neighbor.
Adjacent neighbor. And the promoter is been added as respondent number 8.
Very well. A corporation. It appears there are several disputes with regard to the Rajarhat municipality and the Bidhanagar Municipal Corporation. Records are not there and everything. You say the number is in respect of one Muhammad Anisul Ambia for a 2-storied building and not in favor of the petitioner Shondha Shah. What is to be done? Is anything there? Anisul Ambia, is there any property of Anisul Ambia, anything of that sort?
There is a plan in the name of Anisul Ambia. So that means there is a property in the name of Anisul Ambia.
You can find it from your records.
Then in that case, we have.
Because the number, if the plan number is there, plan number is in respect of some property, isn't it? Is it in respect of the same property which the petitioner is claiming?
That is not reflected in the reasoned order, that I have to see.
Yes.
Whether if there is a plan in the name of this particular property, in that event, the construction is unauthorized, the portion of the construction, because the reasoned order says
Two-storied.
name of Anispurambiya of a two-storied.
Two-storied.
And on inspection,
It's found G+3.
The building thereafter partly construction, So any construction
Addition.
That is the thing. So if your lordship desires, we have taken certain steps where we have found that there exist some discrepancies. We have taken certain steps, we shall indicate in a form of a report. If lordship desires, we will clearly mention whether the plan was sanctioned against this particular property or not, whether there exists a property in the name of Amrita Sinha or not, and what steps we have taken. That
But what will the court do with the report? It is for you to take a decision.
আমি একটু খামটা কি করবো কপিটা নিচ্ছি
So that we have to do.
Prior to taking a decision,
আরে ভাই
prior to taking a decision, if you demolish the property and thereafter you get to know.
আপনি একটা কপি তো
Yes.
কোটে দেবেন আমাকে
So let us come back with a report indicating all the 3 points. Thereafter, your lordship will pass the order whether we will implement or not. So something has to be done. If there is a plan in the name of a particular person against that particular property, the portion of the thing is unauthorized. I cannot deny that. Even without taking into consideration of the other factors, if we demolish the entire property, then it will be a injustice to the petitioner itself.
The petitioner plan that you are relying upon is for how many stories? Petitioner's plan that you are relying upon is for how many stories?
G+3. G+4.
The plan which the corporation says is of 2001.
My lord, I am indicating on page 36, the completion certificate mentions the number, my lord, the sanction plan number. Kindly comes, can I take the trouble to please come to page 36?
Yes.
In the middle portion, my lord, with reference, my lord, am I able to indicate with reference the paragraph starting with reference, my lord? With reference to your notice of completion dated 15 or 13/7/2003, I have certified that the building as per description below at plot number such and such, street Sharodapalli, E1/3, ward number 70, in respect of which plans were sanctioned by building permit number 79/2000/2001 dated 9/6/2000. Well, this has been issued by the Raj.
Let us come back. He was given an opportunity to produce the documents, whatever he had. First day, he did not appear. Second day, he produced a sanction plan according to him. Which is a G+1, that is 2 stories. Let us let him produce the documents once again. Let us check the veracity. Come back.
Because you are appearing in all the matters and the certificates are more or less the same.
More or less the same. Your lordship will recollect the building plan number in the other matter.
Yes.
Appeared in categorically mentioned. That is 112 is the first number. Only the year changes. So in every plan, the serial first 3 digit of the plan is same. Only the difference is the date and the year of sanction.
Was this not produced before you?
No.
Well, this was produced, my lord. This was produced.
This was not.
The sanction plan and the, my lord, the completion certificate. This was produced.
Does the reason order reflect?
It is not reflected in the order. It cannot happen that the petitioner has produced 3 documents, only one is taken into consideration. Either we will not take into consideration any document or the entire bunch of documents.
Please come. The matter relates to no. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of demolition dated 21st of June 2023, passed by the Commissioner, Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation. Stop. The corporation has opined that the petitioner is guilty of making unauthorized construction without a valid sanction plan. Stop. The building plan which was produced by the petitioner was found to be not genuine. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner submits that along with the building plan, the petitioner relied on the certificate of occupancy issued by the Rajarhat Gopalpur municipality on 12th September 2003. The the corporation did not take into consideration the occupation certificate and passed order only relying upon the building sanction plan produced by the petitioner. Is there any other document that you are relying upon?
As on date, no.
So it is the occupation certificate and the plan.
Yes, well, the deeds were produced that we are in possession of the property. That
Possession
has been
is not important for
we had
ascertaining
produced,
unauthorized construction.
I might not confine to that, but my lord, deeds were also produced to show that.
Forget that. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the corporation submits that had the petitioner produced the occupancy certificate, the same ought to have been reflected. The same would have certainly been reflected in the order of the commissioner. Stop. As there is no reflection of the occupancy certificate, it has to be taken that the same was never produced before the corporation. Stop. The petitioner was provided ample opportunity to produce and rely upon all documents in support of the construction made. As the petitioner failed to produce the required documents, the corporation opined that the corporation concluded that the structure is an unauthorized one. Stop. Next paragraph. It has been submitted by the petitioner that he is residing in the said premise. She is residing at the said premises for a considerable period of time. Stop. In view of such submission, the corporation is directed to permit one more opportunity to the petitioner to produce documents in support of the construction. Stop. Next. It is the petitioner will be obliged to produce all documents in her custody in support of the construction made. If all documents are not produced before the corporation, then the corporation will be entitled to pass order in accordance with law, relying upon the documents which are available on record. Stop. The corporation shall also take note of the fact that the plan in question was issued by the erstwhile Rajarhat Gopalpur municipality which subsequently merged with the Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation. Stop. The corporation is directed to verify the records and thereafter pass a reasoned order in the matter. Stop next. Steps shall be taken at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. The petitioner as well as the other necessary parties shall be provided an opportunity of hearing prior to passing the final order. Stop. Till such time the corporation takes a decision in the matter, comma, the impugned order of demolition dated 21st of June 2023 is directed to be kept in abeyance. The writ petition stands disposed of.
Grateful, my lord.
God, we have defined the plan that has been submitted to the corporation plan.
That is recorded in your order.
Recorded the sanctioning plan.
আচ্ছা পরেরটা লিখুন তো item number 8
সেপারেট করবো আমি দিব
separate order.
কপিটা একবার কপি দিন আমাকে বলছি
The instant writ petition has been filed seeking implementation of the order of demolition dated 21st of June 2023 passed by the
নাম দিয়েছে
Commissioner, Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation. Stop. The petitioner is the complainant of the instant case and on the basis of the complaint lodged by the petitioner, comma, the order of demolition has been passed. Stop paragraph. The order of demolition has been challenged in a separate writ petition being WPA 16566 of 2023 within bracket Srimati Shonda Saha versus the Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation and others. Stop.
171
In the matter of Shonda Saha within bracket Supra, the court has directed the corporation to
বলেছি একবার বলছিল কইটা
keep the order of demolition in abeyance
171
till the matter is decided afresh. Stop. In view of the above, the prayer made by the petitioner in the instant writ petition cannot be allowed at this stage. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Days list.
171
What is the prayer?
It is the next door neighbor who has made a complaint. We had lodged a complaint before the Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation stating that he has
Same property?
adjoining, madam.
Parties are same.
Parties are same, madam.
Now he is alleging unauthorized construction.
Kindly comes to page 35, my lord. That is the photograph, my lord, that will indicate the construction, my lord.
My lord, we are not in party in this case.
We'll take this matter at 2 o'clock. Let the file be
My lord, my lord.
traced out. Pradeep, item 171.
My lord, we have not been empowered in this case, so
Which one?
this letter
171?
170.
171. Not engaged in item number.
I have followed it. Let us see.